mixing.
Good mixing.
Daddy.
Oops. Careful.
Careful, darling.
Daddy.
No, you mix.
Ready?
Oh, mix with your egg. Oh, this will be fun.
Oh.
Look at this. What are we making today?
Yeah, what are we gonna make?
Make.
What are we making? What are we making? We're making a cake.
Are they going to go in there?
I think maybe we should keep mixing then.
Keep mixing.
That's it. Good girl. Maybe have a big mix. Woo! Everything else go ready? That's it.
Make.
Yeah, you're mixing.
Wow. Oh, oops. That's good. So maybe mix a bit more? You can try it.
Mmm, yummy.
Is that nice?
Mmm.
Nice. Oh, this was raw egg. Oh well. Too late now. Keep mixing.
Oh, wow. Who's going to lick the beaters? Who's going to be allowed to lick the egg beaters? Oh, it better be Daddy.
Nice.
Daddy.
Nice, is it?
That's a rule. Daddy has to lick the egg beaters.
Keep mixing then.
Oh, here we go.
No, we gotta keep mixing.
Here we go. Now the fun part.
No, keep mixing. Yeah, let's mix it all nice.
The water's right there.
Smell nice. Have a smell. You smell it. Mmm.
Mmm.
Yeah, no, we just mix this up.
Guess who else is watching?
Mix
Oh, look at that.
Mommy.
Mummy's mixing.
We got an audience. There they are. They look impressed, don't they?
Now we need 2 tablespoons of water, okay? Can you count? What's this? No, 1. Ready? 1. What's this? Okay. So. Yay! Mix that in now. Mix all that together. Oops.
Oops. Mix, mix, mix.
You mix there a second. Mummy's gonna get the camera. Keep mixing. Good girl.
Oh, wow. Oh, that looks yummy.
Good girl.
Oh,
Keep
you're not
mixing.
allowed to do that.
Get this oh!
There. Yum, you gotta taste it, don't you?
Is it nice? Theon? Theon? Okay, keep mixing, babe.